This is Lamborghini's latest masterpiece, the Revuelto. This supercar is set to replace the iconic Aventador, shaping to be Lamborghini's most thrilling and significant creation yet. Let's dive in and discover what makes the Revuelto the ultimate supercar. Lamborghini's naming tradition for their cars usually involves Spanish fighting bulls. The Revuelto is no exception, named after a famous fighting bull. But interestingly, Revuelto also means scrambled eggs in Spanish.
What?
Which ties in with the car's hybrid design, a mix of the traditional V12 engine and electric motors. The Revuelto's design combines elements from Lamborghini's greatest hits over the past 15 years. It features a silhouette reminiscent of the Aventador and iconic scissor doors. Other design elements include the three-piece daytime running lights, black side intakes, and a unique engine cover. The car also boasts advanced aerodynamics, such as a folding rear wing and hidden door handles for better airflow. While many carmakers are downsizing engines, Lamborghini stays true to its roots with a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 for the Revuelto. This new V12 is lighter and more powerful than its predecessor, delivering a jaw-dropping 825 horsepower.
Whoa! That's interesting!
But the real magic lies in the car's hybrid system, combining the V12 engine with 3 electric motors, providing 1,015 horsepower in its top performance mode. With a cutting-edge launch control system, the Revuelto accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, reaching a top speed of 270 miles per hour. It rivals the Ferrari SF90 in terms of speed and leaves it behind in the top speed department. The Revuelto's performance is truly extraordinary. The Revuelto is not only about speed and power, it's also more practical than the Aventador. It offers increased legroom and headroom, making it more comfortable for everyday use. The infotainment system has also been revamped, featuring an 8-inch touchscreen, a 12-inch digital driver's display, and a 9-inch screen for the passenger. With over 70 color options available for customization, the Revuelto is a supercar you can tailor to your personal taste. Though Lamborghini hasn't confirmed the exact price, it's expected to start around $450,000, more than double the price of Urus Performante and around $70,000 more than a Ferrari SF90. But the real question is, will it be worth the extra cost? We'll have to wait and see. That's all for today's look at the Lamborghini Revuelto. This supercar promises to be a game-changer, combining power, performance, and practicality. Let us know in the comments below which Italian supercar is your favorite, the Ferrari SF90 or the new Lamborghini Revuelto? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.